I just dropped my sister off at the library because I'm at her house and she's like letting me use her car for the day. So I had to drop her off so that she could study for the day. I really don't have much planned. I really haven't vlogged since the party because I was exhausted, guys. Like, exhausted is like literally putting it so lightly. It was just such a tumultuous like weekend. I had such a bad my travel to Florida was so bad. Then American Airlines lost my luggage. Then they tried to pretend it was like my fault. They lied to me. Needless to say, complaints were filed. People were upset, mainly me. And it was just so much craziness. Like, it's been a week now, so I'm kind of over it, and I like literally don't even want to talk about it because it's just been such a topic of sore. And so yeah, I'm just like really, really over it. So today I have another party to go to, which is why I'm vlogging. I'm going to one of my sister's friends' parties that he's having. It's supposed to be like a really huge event, bang bang, all that good stuff. And we're going to that tonight. And I don't know, I might just go around to the mall today and do some last minute Christmas shopping because I did my Christmas shopping yesterday. I don't have anything for my sister yet. I might just give her a gift card TBD because like TBH. Because I really can't figure out what she wants. Like, she's a really difficult person to shop for. I got my mom an air fryer, and I got my other sister these really cute spade earrings because I know she really likes that kind of thing. I got my niece toys, and I need to go to bed, like Bath and Body Works, to get my grandma something, and I have to get my aunt something because she's like staying with us. So I feel like it'd be strange to like have gifts on Christmas Day and not give her anything. But yeah, guys, like literally, I think like my last vlog was so shitty because I was so stressed. Like, I didn't even have time to show you guys. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I didn't even know where I was. My mom called me and like the phone obviously like went off camera. But as I was saying, I think I was saying that I was so tired. Yeah, I'm in my bonnet. I didn't get out of the car, so don't judge me. We did go to Starbucks though. I literally was so stressed last vlog that there was not much that I really could like vlog. Like, it was just hard. So hopefully today is a better day. And I think I'm supposed to go to brunch on Sunday with my friend. So like hopefully all of that just like plays out better because trust me, like last weekend was crazy and I've literally just taken this whole week to just get my life in order to say the least. And then I will be vlogging more next week and whatnot, so just stay tuned for that and just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of like this hot mess called my life. I guess I should probably tell you guys how finals went. Finals went really, really well. There's only one class that still hasn't posted our grades, and it's like starting to piss me off because of course it's the class that like I'm the most worried about, which is drug lit. Because my mind cannot do drug lit. Like, it just blows me how I can just take other exams and do so well, but drug lit is basically the bane of my existence. And she's taking forever, and I'm pretty sure grades were due yesterday. And I'm just like, sis, what are you doing? And she has all our extra credit. She hasn't factored into our grades. Like, honestly, the whole thing is a hot mess, and I really need her to come through. But she did curve my exam grade by like 6 points from our last exam, so hopefully that'll help out a lot as well. I really just want to see like a B plus, A minus. Like, do I deserve an A minus? No. But do I want an A minus? Of course. Who wouldn't want an A minus? Especially in a class that like just has been tearing them to pieces all semester. Like, I can do therapeutics. I can't do drug lit. That like makes no sense. But whatever, I digress. I'm about to get back home now and chill for like a few and then get dressed to go out to the mall. So stay tuned for that.
it's a hydrofacial that's gonna help detoxify all her pores, get all that dead skin off as well. And she's gonna have more of a glow. Her skin's just gonna be more refreshed. The skincare products that she's purchasing today are definitely gonna just absorb better into the skin, so she has a better result. So right now we're just cleansing her face. Hi. So look, look at this. Open your eyes.
Oh, that's real messed up.
Don't worry, girl. We're gonna get you right today. Suction. Okay. Feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm really gonna mainly focus on your problem area. You're very dehydrated, my dear.
Oh, lovely.
She already sucked up the first two.
Wow. Whatever, that is real good.
So now this is gonna help too, also unclog those pores, but it's gonna put back into the system. So you definitely will benefit from this, doing it every 3 to 4 weeks. Looks better already.
How long is my serum supposed to last me so that I know when to come in?
The Good Gene?
Mm-hmm.
That should give you, depending on how often you're using it, you should have about 2 months worth.
Did you say once a day or twice a day?
I do it twice, but since you're using the UFO, you can do it 1 time a day.
Okay. Well, I really played myself too because I almost bought that thing and then that Sunday Riley thing came out and I was like, oh no, not Sunday. And I thought she was lying. That was sad.
Wow.
Remember they had that whole scandal?
Which is so silly because her products work.
Yeah, I should have known that because I've used her products so many times in the past. Okay. We'll do-
That's why, like, I come in and I sense that, like, I'm just
That's just disgusting. How could that have been in me? Guys, when I tell you my face feels so good, like, I feel like this is really bad lighting and you like literally can't see, but there's so much improvement to my face. I've got all these goodies. Sephora didn't take all my Christmas shopping money, but I think I'm gonna be better for it and my face is gonna be great. Okay guys, so I have my clay mask from Fresh. It's like the Umbrian mask I got from Sephora yesterday. On my journey to fixing my face. Do you see all those dots on my face? Ew. Honestly, just like 2 days of using the good genes and the clay and all that good stuff, I definitely already see a change and feel a change in my face. So super excited about that. I also wanted to show you guys this gingerbread house kit that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna make that with my niece on Wednesday. Christmas is on Wednesday, so we're gonna make that together. She's still playing around with Elf. She really thinks the elf is her toy, and I'm like, you can't play with the elf. She still plays with the elf. So I think next year it'll go better because she'll be older and she'll understand it more. But for now, I think I'm letting her enjoying the elf because she really likes this elf. She doesn't like a lot of toys, but she really likes this. I'm about to go shower now and honestly just call it a night. My sister's talking really loud in the background and she's like really annoying. So yeah, let's see how this goes, y'all. Okay, you guys, I am at the Miami airport. The wind is blowing. My hair looks like a hot mess, but my bag weighed exactly like 50.1 pounds. Thank God, because I also have like my carry-on, which I always carry to bring all my extra stuff that I buy from home, and this thing is heavy. But yeah, this is me signing out of this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was like super all over the place, but you know, I did my best to just kind of show you guys little snippets of my life and what I do and all that good stuff. It wasn't perfect, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Happy New Year. Hopefully this year is that year that brings us a lot of good things, and I'm ready to get this semester started.